Welcome to my channel. How to fix slow printer issues on Windows 10 11. 1. Restart your printer and computer. Turn off your printer and PC for 1 minute, then turn them back on. This helps refresh the system and fix temporary slow printing issues. 2. Check the printer connection. Make sure your USB cable or Wi-Fi connection is stable and working properly. A weak or unstable connection can slow down printing speed. 3. Set the printer as default. Go to Printer Settings and choose your printer as the default device. This helps Windows send print jobs faster and correctly. 4. Clear the print queue. Open the printer queue and remove stuck or pending print jobs. Too many queued files can make the printer respond slowly. 5. Update printer drivers. Install the latest printer drivers from the official printer website. Updated drivers improve printer performance and compatibility. 6. Use draft or standard print mode. Change print quality settings from high to standard or draft mode. Lower quality settings usually print documents much faster. 7. Close unnecessary programs. Close extra apps and browser tabs running in the background. Free system memory helps the printer work more smoothly. 8. Run Windows Printer Troubleshooter. Use the built-in Windows Printer Troubleshooter to detect problems. It can automatically fix common printer speed issues. 9. Install Windows updates. Check for the latest Windows 10 or 11 updates on your PC. System updates can improve printer support and performance. 10. Restart the Print Spooler service. Open Services and restart the Print Spooler service on Windows. This refreshes the printing process and fixes slow print jobs. Thanks for watching.